Hello all, I'm Varsha Torgalkar. I'm an independent journalist from Pune, India. India has currently 56,000 COVID-19 positive cases and 1,795 people are died till now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on March 24th at 8 p.m. announced that there will be 3 weeks lockdown from March 25th, that is 4 hours after his announcement. So these 4 hours didn't give any time for people to deal with this lockdown. Worst sufferers were migrant laborers. India has 139 million migrant laborers. Illiterate, non-skilled, semi-skilled villagers migrate to cities to work at micro, small industries, construction site, textile mills, earning $3 to $4 per day. As soon as lockdown was announced, these people realized that it is not possible for them to earn any money and they wouldn't be able to live in the cities where cost of living is too high, even though they stay in the slums. So they started to walk back towards their villages that they were like hundreds and thousand kilometers away because there was no public transport was allowed. Though government of India has announced that 7 kilogram food will be given free of cost under National Food Security Act, there are problems with the system because if your ration card is registered at your village, you can get that food at your village, and those ration cards are not valid in the cities where you are staying in. So people are struggling. People who are stuck in the cities are struggling to get food to eat. They are depend on mercy of voluntary organizations who are distributing food. Many state governments are availing labor camps where free food is given, but that is not enough because number of migrant laborers is extremely high. Like till now, 50 people are died while going back due to hunger or accident or exhaustion. Expert advise that these laborers should be taken back to their villages. They should be given free food and some economic package till economic crisis is over. Otherwise, these people might not die because of COVID-19 and they will die because of hunger.
Good afternoon, this is Ajit John here, speaking to you from Panjim Goa. The situation in Goa over the past 46 hours has changed dramatically. For the worse, that is. Last week there were no cases, there was nothing recorded, there was no problems in Goa. But that changed over the weekend when a family of 6 was checked and found to be COVID-19 positive. The family had driven in from Maharashtra, a neighboring state. The government at the center had allowed the resumption of train services across the country, especially amongst parts of the country where it was felt the situation was under control. And since Goa was a state which had its situation under control, trains were allowed to travel through the state. We have 46 cases. Now what is interesting about this is not one of these cases are of people living in the state. They're all people who have traveled in from cities like Delhi, Pune, and even Bombay. The situation in these states, in these places, are pretty bad. Now in Goa, they have been taken and they've been quarantined. And this has caused much concern and even anger in Goa. The feeling is that we had access to the situation under control, but the government at the center decided to restart the train services, and now look what has happened to us.